Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your account using Bitpay easy tutorial step by step clearly. To recover your Bitpay account, start by opening the Bitpay app on your device. If you are using a web browser, visit the Bitpay website. Once on the app or site, locate the Forgot Password link. Click on this link to initiate the recovery process. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your account. Fill in your email and submit the form. Check your email inbox for a recovery email from Bitpay. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and look for the recovery link provided. Click on the link to be redirected to the password reset page. You will need to create a new password for your account. Make sure your new password is strong and secure. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the designated field. Once you've entered your new password, click on Reset Password. After successfully resetting your password, return to the Bitpay app or website. Log in using your email and newly created password. If you enabled two-factor authentication, you will need to complete that process. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish the authentication. You should now have access to your Bitpay account. If you encounter any issues during the process, visit Bitpay's support page for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.